The DIY projects, DIY business, and selling homemade items. The global shift toward personalization, sustainability, and small batch craftsmanship has elevated do it yourself (DIY) culture from a hobbyist movement to a thriving commercial ecosystem. Whether individuals engage in DIY activities to explore creativity, reduce costs, or launch micro enterprises, the landscape for making and monetizing handmade products has never been more promising. This article examines the evolution of DIY projects, the fundamentals of launching a DIY-based business, and strategic approaches for selling homemade items in competitive markets. Point 1. The appeal and evolution of DIY projects. DIY projects encompass a broad spectrum of creative endeavors, including home decor, fashion accessories, woodworking, natural cosmetics, digital crafts, and sustainable upcycling. Over the past decade, DIY culture has expanded due to three core drivers. 1.1 Creativity and personal expression. DIY projects empower people to express individuality through unique, handcrafted items. Customization, color choices, materials, shapes, and functions enables makers to create products that are truly one of a kind. 1.2 Skill development and lifelong learning. From carpentry and sewing to candle making and digital crafting with CNC or laser tools, DIY projects help individuals develop technical and artistic competencies. Online tutorials and maker communities further promote collaborative learning. 1.3 Sustainability and cost efficiency. Consumers increasingly value eco-friendly practices. Upcycling old furniture, repurposing waste materials, and using natural ingredients for cosmetics reduces environmental impact while lowering production costs. 1.1 Creativity and personal expression. DIY projects empower people to express individuality through unique, handcrafted items. Customization, color choices, materials, shapes, and functions enables makers to create products that are truly one of a kind. 1.2 Skill development and lifelong learning. From carpentry and sewing to candle making and digital crafting with CNC or laser tools, DIY projects help individuals develop technical and artistic competencies. 2. Transitioning from DIY hobbyist to DIY business owner. Converting a DIY hobby into a profitable business requires a structured approach. Creativity alone is insufficient. Business fundamentals must be established early. 2.1 Defining your niche. Successful DIY businesses specialize in specific product categories. Examples include handmade candles or soaps, custom jewelry or embroidery, wooden decor and furniture, organic skincare items, personalized gifts, and seasonal crafts. A clearly defined niche strengthens brand identity and simplifies marketing. 2.2 Understanding market demand. Conduct market research to identify what consumers value. Competitive analysis, social media trends, and customer feedback help determine which products have the highest commercial potential. 2.3 Sourcing quality materials. Reliable suppliers and high-quality raw materials are crucial. Cost-effective purchasing, bulk sourcing, and sustainability-oriented materials improve both profitability and customer satisfaction. 2.4 Pricing strategy and profit margins. Pricing should be based on cost of materials, labor, time, packaging, overhead expenses. Market benchmarks. A standard formula many creators use: selling price equals material cost plus labor cost plus overheads, plus desired profit margin. 2.5 Branding and product presentation. Strong branding enhances perceived value. Essential brand elements include a memorable business name, professional logos and labels, attractive packaging, a consistent visual identity across platforms. 3. Selling homemade items, strategic channels and techniques. Once products are ready for market, selecting suitable sales channels and marketing strategies determines business success. Today's marketplace provides more opportunities than ever before. 3.1 Online marketplaces. Platforms such as Etsy, Amazon Handmade, Daras, and Facebook Marketplace expand visibility and simplify transactions. These channels are ideal for reaching broader audiences with minimal startup cost. 3.2 Social media commerce. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook Shops, and Pinterest allow DIY sellers to showcase their products visually while leveraging storytelling and influencer collaborations. Engaging content, tutorials, behind-the-scenes videos, and customer testimonials builds trust and drives sales. 3.3 Personal websites and e-commerce stores. A custom e-commerce site offers control over branding, pricing, and customer relationships. Tools such as Shopify, Wix, and WordPress make it easy to launch an independent store. 3.4 Local markets and craft fairs. Participating in exhibitions, pop-up stalls, and community markets allows sellers to connect directly with customers. This channel is particularly effective for seasonal items and high-touch, premium crafts. 3.5 Wholesale and B2B opportunities. Boutiques, gift shops, and lifestyle stores often source handmade products in bulk. Establishing wholesale partnerships can significantly increase revenue stability. For marketing, scaling, and sustainability of a DIY business. 4.1 Digital marketing and content strategy. Effective marketing involves regular social media posting, SEO for product listings, blogging about DIY processes, email newsletters, paid ads for targeted traffic. Authentic storytelling is highly influential in the DIY sector. 4.4 Legal and compliance considerations. DIY businesses should comply with the business registration requirements, safety and quality standards, especially for cosmetics and food, trademark and copyright regulations, local tax obligations. Conclusion: the rise of DIY culture represents more than a trend, it reflects a global shift toward creativity, sustainability, and small-scale entrepreneurship. DIY projects foster innovation and personal fulfillment, while DIY businesses provide viable income streams for creators willing to combine craftsmanship with business discipline. With strategic planning, quality production, and modern digital marketing, selling homemade items can evolve into a sustainable and rewarding enterprise.